Hello everyone, I'm Yanel, French student doing a bit of computational informatics on my free times. And in my previous video, I had shown an agent playing Pong game thanks to reinforcement learning, and in this video I'm using the same agent, not really optimized one, but one with a really tiny little neural network. And I've done that in order to make possible to visualize the neural network in action. Something a bit like this we've seen in the screen, but I want to make it dynamic. So let's see that. I know that drawing neural network learning and working is most of the time not really useful. I mean, it depends on the application, but most of the time it's even absolutely unuseful, and it's even quite heavy for the computer. But I mean, come on, look how it's cool to see all the neuron lightning and to see how, I mean, the pattern to predict the outputs. I mean, it's I really like to see neural network in action, and that's why I've done this code. So here we visualize only one agent, but we can do the same for the two agents. At first I wanted to do that because the two agents both learn to play together once against the others, and I mean, I wanted to see how the neural network were behaving differently, and if there were kind of a pattern, significant different pattern between the two of them. I don't know, I'm just interesting. But the problem you don't see here is it's very slow, because my code is doing the visualization in direct live, so it's plotting each image and then the video in live, so it's very heavy for my not powerful laptop. And for giving an example, the video you're watching right now is accelerated 20 times. And why was it still very slow? So a solution I haven't done, I don't know why, but it could be to save with kind of array each values of nodes, I mean neurons, and then plot at the end everything. So it will not be in live, but it will still be good to visualize it and to make a video at the end. So it's still okay. I mean, it was just a solution if you wanted to use the same code, my code, I mean, to visualize your neural network. If you're like me and kind of very impressed, and I mean, not that impressed, but I mean, it's beautiful. I think it's beautiful, and it's kind of art, and yeah, that's all. So I hope you liked the video. All the codes are available on my GitHub. Link is in the description if you want it, and that's all. Yeah, bye bye.